Is Forex trading profitable? This is one of the important questions that a lot of people ask, especially when they are getting started. And in this video, we're going to be looking at, is Forex trading really worth it? Is it really possible for you to do? Hello and welcome. My name is Kuda Online and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're a returning visitor, I'd love to thank you for subscribing again. And at the end of this video, I would love to hear your opinion in terms of is Forex trading worth it or is it profitable? If you can share your experience in the comment section below, I would really appreciate that. With that out of the way, let us look at is Forex trading profitable? So before I explain, before I dive deep into the topic of the day, is Forex trading really worth it? I want you to understand my involvement in Forex trading, so that you understand what I really do. So I'm an affiliate marketer, or I would say I'm an affiliate marketer. I do promote a Forex broker. Now this Forex broker is called Deriv. Deriv is one of the brokers that is used by Forex traders to trade currencies online. So what I do there is that I recommend the broker to Forex traders, and at the same time I'm a payment agent for that broker as well. What it simply means is that I help people deposit money into the broker and withdraw money into the broker as well. If someone is getting started with Forex trading, they would want to add funds into their Forex account, so I help them with that. So me being part of that movement or being part of the Forex markets, that's what I do. I don't actually trade. I've done a video that explains why I'm not a Forex trader, and it explains in depth my marketing activities. So with that out of the way, now I work with people that are just getting started in Forex trading. I work with people that are expertise in Forex trading. So I kind of know if it's profitable or it's not. But it appears that a lot of people who are just getting started are the ones who struggle. So I'm just going to go with some points of things that you need to understand if Forex trading is profitable. And in the end, I'm just going to give you my opinion. So if you are getting started, the first question that you should understand is that what is Forex trading? A lot of people, when they're getting on board in terms of Forex trading, they don't understand what Forex trading is all about. It could be that they have seen some other people who have been trading Forex and they want to be part of it because of the profits that they are making. So you need to have an understanding of what Forex trading is all about before you talk of the profits that you can actually make from Forex trading. And then the second point is that you need to ask yourself, is Forex trading the right vehicle for you? You know what? Forex trading, when people want to make money online, they are highly likely to come across Forex trading. And you need to understand that, is Forex trading something that you want to consider to take part, okay? Now, this is when you need to understand the risk and the reward that is involved, and you also take a look at the industry, what really happens in the industry, that is learning and things like that. And then one thing that you need to understand as well is how to trade Forex. Now, a lot of people who are just coming on board, especially if they're getting started, they just come on board and you know what, they want to deposit their money. And when I help them to deposit their money, you know, the first thing that they ask me is that, okay, when I'm making withdrawals, can I come to you? Can I come to you as well for withdrawals? Yes, people can actually come to me for withdrawals, and I can actually assist them in making withdrawals. So having that conversation with people, it gives me an idea of me understanding that this person doesn't understand Forex trading. So you need to understand, number one, what is Forex trading? Who can trade Forex trading? Is Forex trading the right vehicle for you? The other question that I need to answer is that as we are answering the biggest question, is Forex trading profitable? A lot of people say, do I really need money in order to make good Forex profits? So I've come across one of these gentlemen. He actually came to me. He said, you know what, I'm very good at trading right now, and what he's lacking right now is my capital. And he wanted me to give him some money so that he can increase his capital and trade profitably. So the thing is, there's what is called money management in Forex trading. So the answer is that to make money in Forex trading, you don't need a lot of money. You need to know what you are doing. Because at the end of the day, if you have the idea of saying that you need to have more money to trade Forex and make money, it doesn't work that way. Now, the other question that I'm going to ask is that, is there a profitable strategy? You know, a lot of people, they're always looking for strategies in terms of trading Forex and things like that. So one thing that I can tell you is that, you know, a strategy is something that you create on your own, okay? As you learn in Forex trading, there are so many strategies that you're going to come across. And what you need to do at the end of the day is to come up with your own recipe. A lot of people, they recommend price action as their best strategy and things like that. But I'll tell you, the best strategy is what you know. So learning these things and coming up with your own strategy is the best way to make Forex trading profitable. Looking at the average money that people can actually make, a lot of people, when they're actually buying and selling to deposit money into the Forex broker, which I've actually spoken about, a lot of people, they come and ask me to say, what's the average money that I can make per month? What's the average money that I can make per week? So if you come into Forex trading, you need to understand that Forex trading is based on results. You make money based on the results that you get, you produce. If your results are poor, definitely you don't make money. If your results are good, then you make money. And you cannot safely say that I can make X amount of dollars per month, X amount of dollars per week, and things like that. Forex trading basically is something that you cannot predict, that to say this month I need to make this much, because the market differs day to day. So in my conclusion, is Forex trading profitable? I would say yes, Forex trading is profitable. I've come across a lot of Forex traders in Zimbabwe who are trading profitably, and some of them, they are doing Forex trading full-time actually. And one thing that I can tell you, the difference between the people that are making money in Forex trading and those that are not making money in Forex trading is how they approach Forex trading. Some other people, they approach Forex trading as a get-rich-quick scheme. They just want to deposit the money and cash out some money and then walk away, live a very good life. And on the other hand, there are some people who have taken time, they have been very patient in terms of learning, and when they learn, they make some profits. I'll give you a very good example of a young boy that I've been helping to deposit money into the derivative broker. He was always depositing money, and then I asked him, are you really making profits? Because I don't see you selling your withdrawals. So then he went on to really learn about Forex trading, and he gave it a bit of time. And when I was actually speaking to him, he shared with me the income that he's making, and he's really, really grateful for the money that he is making. Again, I would say Forex trading, it is profitable. Just give it time, be patient, and learn what it takes to make money in Forex trading. That's it from me. I'd love to thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and recommend it to others. If you have any questions for me, if I missed out anything, if you're a Forex trader, you want to give out tips in terms of if Forex trading is really profitable, I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below this video. With that being said, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.